Hey, this is Ashley from RecPro, and this is our 16 cubic feet 12 volt French door stainless steel refrigerator for RVs. So the product code for which is RP-2120. So this is a refrigerator and a freezer. It keeps your food stored, it keeps it temperature controlled, it keeps it fresh and nice for when you're taking your vacation. And it is all controlled through this operational guidance display right up here. There's a part for the fridge, part for the freezer. You can get some information from that, and there's also an on-off switch right up there. Included in this refrigerator, there's some drawers over here. There's shelves, there are glass shelves as well, and there's also a crisper with humidity controls right up here. Also within the freezer, there is a lower drawer as well as an upper drawer. So right over here. Alright, so that's really nice, and then you can just push it back in. Alright, so there are also leveling feet at the very bottom. This is for when you're first installing it, or if you get to the campground and you're not quite level, it might help to kind of tweak leveling feet, keep everything nice, and it keeps the doors working better as well. So the dimensions for this are on the screen as well as on our site. But as a general note, this is meant to be freestanding only, not put on top of anything. Alright, so if you want to find out more, you can click the link below, like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.